Today we will learn the various data types that जो हमने उस दिन last lecture में data types पढ़ी हैं, and today we are going to do the learn them by practically using them. Today I will tell you about the lookup wizard and attachment and calculated data types. We had already done the text, number, date and time, etc. So today we will do the lookup wizard, calculated and attachment. First of all, tell me, am I audible to all now? Is there any problem, Pragati, Japji? Okay then.
Ma'am, you are audible.
Okay then. Thank you, beta. Okay. This is the table: roll number, admission number, student name, father's name, date of birth. Right. I'm going to the design view. In this design view, I'm going to add more field names now. Okay. I'm going to add mode of conveyance. As I already told you this field about this field. So this field can have fixed values like bus, auto, buggy, or self. Like 4 values are fixed. I want to fill values only out of these 4. So for that purpose, I can have the lookup wizard. Kindly mute yourself. Keep yourself mute, beta. Okay. Click here, lookup wizard. Now when I click on lookup wizard, it will give me a security message. I will click open. Now this wizard creates a lookup field which display a list of values you can choose from. Is it visible to all? Okay. Then next 2 options are there. I want to look up the fields to get the values from another table, or I will type in the values that I want. मुझे खुद type करनी है या मुझे किसी table में से values लेनी है. I'm saying I will type the values that I want. मैंने click किया second option पे, click on next. Then here one column is there. I'm going to type the values like bus, second, auto, third, buggy, and the fourth one is self. Okay. Now click on next. Now label, it is a label that will be displayed at the top. Then do you want to limit the entries to the choices? Yes, I want to limit कि मेरी entries इसी choices के अंदर होंगी. Then click on finish. Okay, now go to the datasheet view. You must save the table. I save it. Now here mode of conveyance field is added. When I click here, I will get this combo box button. Click here. Now choose the values from here. You are not supposed to type it. You have to just select the values from this list जो हमने अभी create करी है. Okay, clear? Is it clear? I'm showing you the steps once again. Click on design view. Take the data type as short text because values are in text. I'm going to choose the lookup wizard. I will type in the values that I want. Click on next. Type the values here that you want to use in your field and then click on next. Allow limit to list. Yes, I want to limit the values to list and click on finish. Now go to the design datasheet view, save the table and fill the entries like this. Clear? Okay. Now I'm going to use the calculated data type, or if you want to add, suppose photograph, we are going to use the attachment. Okay. Again, I'm going to design view. I'm going to show here photograph. I'm choosing the data type as attachment. Okay. Now, when I go to the datasheet view, first of all, save it. Go to the datasheet view. Now, in the field of attachments, you will see an icon of attachment is there. Attachment icons and सबके साथ bracket में 0 लिखा हुआ. That means there is no attachment till now. अभी तक यहाँ पर इसके साथ कोई attachment नहीं है. I can click here, double click here. It will give me an attachment dialog box. I will click on add and choose the picture that you want to add. I select any picture that I want here, click on open. and OK. Now in the bracket, you can see there is one attachment. Okay. Again, I can click on every field, double click, add, choose another photograph. I told you already it will not display the photographs in the field name as the cell is very small. You can display the this field value will be displayed in forms, queries. Okay? So whatever photographs we have added, they will be displayed in the form or query, reports, in the form or reports. Click on OK. Again, now auto number, roll number. As you see in this field, roll number has been taken as auto number. That means automatically a new number will be added. Then I'm not going to click here. यहाँ पे कोई value type नहीं होगी. I'm going to give this value. Then give the name. Then father's name. Then date of birth. Then mode of conveyance. I have to choose it from here and then photograph. Add. Choose the photograph that you want to add here. Choose any photograph. You can have the photographs. Click on OK. Then attachments will be done. Is it clear till now? Data types clear hai? Yes, Riddham?
मैम अगर हमें फोटो देखनी है तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा?
बेटा
अगर इसमें हमने
photographs will be visible in the forms और reports because टेबल का सेल काफी स्मॉल होता है, उसमें फोटोग्राफ्स डिस्प्ले नहीं होंगी, फाइल्स अटैच हो गई हैं, फाइल्स का कंटेंट नहीं डिस्प्ले हो रहा है, ठीक है? देन यू हैव टू गो टू द फॉर्म्स, आपको फॉर्म्स क्रिएट करने हैं, फॉर्म्स विल डिस्प्ले द फोटोग्राफ और द कंटेंट्स ऑफ द अटैचमेंट.
ओके
ओके. Okay, now next is calculated data type. Calculated. I'm going to use another table. This was the result table. Go to the result table. I have another field, set of fields here, like admission number, student name, English, math, SST, right? So I can have the values. I can go to the design view. First of all, I can have the more fields here. Suppose Hindi, I'm taking the data type as number. Then I want to have computer, take it as number. Okay, then science and take it as number. Now I want to have the next field as total. Now in the total, I will have the data type as calculated. Now when I click on calculated, I get an expression builder. In this expression builder, I have to build the expression for which I want to do the calculation. Now I will take this. First of all, save the table so that every field will be displayed here. Okay, calculated. It will open the expression builder. Now take the field name, double click on it, plus take another field, plus take the third field, plus, and you can also type the field names as Hindi in square brackets, plus computer square brackets, plus square brackets science, plus square brackets. Okay, it is finished. Okay, then click on OK. The expression contains a malformed GUI ID constant. Okay, just a minute. Yes. English plus math plus then again plus put the symbols arithmetic operators that you want. You can use any other arithmetic operator also. Click on OK. Now go to the data sheet view, save it. Now when you enter the marks here, it will display the total automatically. Now I'm going to type here also. Now it is displaying me the total. I entered here this field name, then give it a name, then marks, total. Clear? Anji, is it clear now? How to use the calculated data field? Yes, Abdi, is it clear? Okay. Now in your books, just first of all, we had done these various data types. First of all, next underline a few points. Views of a table, design view and data sheet view. This is the data sheet view and this is your design view. A table has two views, design view and data sheet view. In the design view, you can enter the field names, their data types and descriptions. This design view is further divided into two parts. One is field grid pane, that is the upper portion in which you type the field names and their data types. And the lower portion is field properties pane, that is used to set the properties for the fields. We will set the properties also today. Then next is data sheet view. Data sheet view is used to enter the data in a table. When you double click on a table, it will by default open the table in a data sheet view. And then you can go to the design view by using two methods. One is home tab, view button, design view or data sheet view, view button, home tab, view group, view option. Home tab, view group, view option. Second is you can use the view buttons on status bar, design view and data sheet view buttons on this status bar at the bottom. Please underline this much this much topic because all of this is having various questions. What are the two views of the table? What are the two sections of the design view? How to switch between the views? What are the two methods to switch between the views? What is the command that we can use to switch between the views? Okay. Next is how to create a table. What are the steps to create a table? We had already created the table practically. There are three ways to create a table. One is using the design view. Second is by using the data sheet view. And third is by using the templates. When I want to create a new table, I will click on this create tab, tables group, table option. Underline the command. Create tab, tables group, table option. It's given in the book last line mein. To create a in the database window, click on create tab, select the tables option in the tables group. It will create a table in data sheet view. This option will create a table in data sheet view. See here, I'm clicking here. It means giving me the new table in the data sheet view. I can go to the design view by clicking on this view button, and I can also create the table directly in design view by clicking on create tab, tables group, table design option. Let's know more. Page number 37. Page number 37. Let's know more. Mein dekho, you can also create a table by selecting the table design option in the tables group. This is the tables group, home tab, create tab, tables group, table design option. Make a list of all the commands that we are using. We had used the command for switching between the views, home tab, views group, view option. We had used the command to create a table in datasheet view, create tab, tables group, table option. We had used the command for creating a table in design view, create tab, tables group, table design option. One shortcut key is also given to close the table. Control plus W to close the table. I can press Control W from the keyboard to close that table. Here, two tables are open, student info and result PT1. I can press Control W from the keyboard like this. I'm pressing it and it is closing the table. Underline it. Okay. Next, to set the field properties. How to set the various field properties? Okay, there can be various conditions where there can be various criteria that we can use in a table. For example, in a roll number field, that is the by default ठीक है auto number आ रहा है. ठीक है, admission number we have to use it for 4 digits. हमारा admission number 4 digits का होता है usually. तो I want to restrict कि जैसे मैंने यहाँ 678 enter किया, that is wrong. तो मेरा admission number it should always be of 4 digits. So I can set the properties, I can give the validation rules for which the values जो हमने enter हो रही हैं that will be checked against those validation rules so that the entry is always correct. Similarly, जब हमने result PT1 पे table show किया, this is a table where we are entering the marks. Marks should be less than 50 because our PT1 exam is of 50 marks. So here I had entered 78 also, 56, 67 also. So that means this is a wrong entry. So to avoid those kind of errors, we have to put some validation rules and some other properties also. Okay. Now I'm going to the design view again. Here you can see admission number. ठीक है, नीचे आप देखोगे प्रॉपर्टीज पेन में आपके पास एक तो फील्ड साइज आ रहा है, फॉर्मेट आ रहा है, डेसिमल प्लेसेस नहीं चाहिए, डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू बाय डिफॉल्ट आपने देखा वहां 0 आ रहा था, जब भी न्यू फील्ड आ रहा है वहां पे नंबर्स के लिए 0 आ रहा है. देन उसके नीचे आपके पास आ रहा है एक वैलिडेशन रूल. दैट मीन्स वैलिडेशन रूल में क्या लगाना चाहती हूँ कि वैल्यूज शुड बी लेस देन 999. That means 4 digits and they should be greater than okay. Or you can say greater than 1000. I can have the values as greater than 1000 and less than 999. So that means values will always be greater than 1000 and less than 999. अगर कोई error आएगी तो it will give me the error message. What should be the error message? That should be given in validation text. क्या error message display होगा? वो हमारा validation text में display करेंगे. We will type the message. मैंने लिखा है wrong admission number. Okay. Now next field is required. Required में by default no आ रहा है. That means this field is not required. This field is not आपका वो क्या है? This field is not compulsory to enter. But if you want to make it compulsory, then you can take it as yes. आप यहाँ पर yes भी use कर सकते हो. मुझे ये field compulsory करना है. कि इसमें एंट्री होनी चाहिए. विदाउट एंट्री आई शुड नॉट मूव टू द नेक्स्ट कॉलम. ओके, फॉर दैट पर्पज आई कैन गिव इट एज yes. Okay. Okay, now see the data sheet view. Okay, I can give the values like this. When I go, it will say me the message wrong admission number because I had entered only 3 digits, 234. It is less than 1000. So it is giving me an error message wrong admission number. Okay, जब तक मैं इसको correct नहीं करूंगी, it will not go forward. Similarly, we can put the validation rules in all the field names for data entry of marks. जहां हमारे marks enter हो रहे हैं, हम उन सब में data ये field ये लगा सकते हैं condition. Yes, जयंत.
मैम जो आपने हमें टेस्ट मैम भेजा था उसमें भी मैम आपने प्रॉपर्टी सेट की थी एडमिशन नंबर वाले कॉलम में.
मैंने आपको कौन सा
मैम उससे
टेस्ट में एडमिशन नंबर
मैम
की
जो
प्रॉपर्टी
हमारा
सेट की है? आपका टेस्ट तो सिर्फ उसमें हुआ था, एमसीक्यूज का था।
यस मैम, तो उसमें जो फिल करते हैं ना हम फॉर्म, जिसमें
बेटा
एडमिशन नंबर होता है।
टेस्ट आपका जो हुआ था वो तो आपका चैप्टर नंबर 1 का हुआ था।
मैम वही ना मैम, उसमें आपने जो एडमिशन नंबर वाला कॉलम
हाँ
होता है
हाँ
वहां
हाँ
पे
हाँ, वहां पे की हुई है। यस यस, यू आर राइट। आई हैड पुट सम वैलिडेशन रूल देयर कि डाटा जो एडमिशन नंबर है दैट शुड बी ऑफ 4 डिजिट्स। आई हैड पुट द वैलिडेशन रूल देयर। यस, यू आर राइट।
मैम मैंने गलती से मैम नाम लिख दिया था तो वो आ गया था एरर मैम।
हाँ हाँ, yes, that's right. Same time kind of this thing can happen in every table data entry time पे कहीं पर भी इस तरह की errors हो सकती हैं. For that purpose, we will use the proper data types and we will use the proper validation rules also. ठीक है? We can use these kind of things to avoid the errors. Similarly, आपने देखा होगा वहां पे आपको जो section था वहां पर भी 8 थे, B, C, D 4 ही option थी. Right, so you cannot enter any other value, that is you can compare to as a lookup wizard जो अभी हमने use किया ऑटो बस और बग्गी या सेल्फ के लिए. Okay, हाँ जी, any problem till now? Okay, validation rules and some other properties can also be set. I'm going to set the various properties again for you. Now in the design view, I'm going to share again. Similarly, student info, यहाँ पर भी हम property set कर सकते हैं. Go to the design view. Then you can have the admission number, you can have the auto number. Auto number में हम दे सकते हैं by default value 0 आ रही है, validation rule आ रहा है. Format और caption. This caption property can also be set. Caption property means कि अगर आपका suppose मैंने field name proper पूरा नहीं लिया है, half लिया है, जैसे item number लिया है, तो if I want to display as admission number full, so I can give it as a caption also. When I save it and go to the datasheet view, you can see here now full admission number is displayed. I can make it a compulsory field by clicking on this again. I can say required yes. That is, it is a compulsory field. Similarly, you can have the compulsory field for student name and father's name. If you want to make them compulsory, you have to select required option as yes for all the fields. यहाँ पर देखो शॉर्ट टेक्स्ट में बाय डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू ब्लैंक है, टेक्स्ट वैल्यू ब्लैंक आ रही है, नंबर्स की बाय डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू 0 आ रही है. In this you can see here, this is a by default value 0 आ रही है. ठीक है, यू कैन चेंज इट. यू वांट कि अगर ये ब्लैंक आए तो आप इसको डिलीट कर सकते हो. अब शॉर्ट टेक्स्ट में सपोज स्टूडेंट नेम आ रहा है, आप चाहते हो कि बाय डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू यहाँ पर AA डिस्प्ले हो, तो आप वहां पे वो भी लिख सकते हो. देन यू कैन हैव द रोल नंबर. आई वांट रोल नंबर ऑटो नंबर है तो इसमें ज्यादा आपकी वैलिडेशन रूल्स नहीं लगेंगे. एडमिशन नंबर में वी कैन पुट द वैलिडेशन रूल्स अगेन दैट इट शुड बी less than 999 and it should be greater than 1000. Okay, save it. Violates the rules. Already जो data enter हुआ है that doesn't match with this criteria, that's why it is giving me a message. So I will make it correct first, then I will put the validation rule. Because I had already entered the data which doesn't match with this criteria, that's why it was giving me a message कि आपका जो already criteria data है that doesn't match with it. Now I can go to the data sheet view. Next thing that we will learn today is how to set the primary key. How to set the primary key. I want to set the primary key on admission number so that whenever I enter the data, it should not be repeated. मेरा admission number repeated नहीं होना चाहिए. Here I had entered 2345, 2346. I had entered 2345 again. If I enter it again, it will not give me any error कि ये admission number already use हो चुका हुआ है. So it should be unique. So I can go to the design view and I can use the admission number as primary key. I do not want to use the roll number. I can remove it. Go to the design view, design tab, then click on primary key option. यहाँ पर आपकी key remove हो गई है. Admission number पे click किया. Then I'm clicking on design tab, tools group, primary key option. Click here. Now a key appear at next to the admission number. So that means this is my primary key. This will not have the duplicate values. Now save it. How to set the primary key? There are two methods to set the primary key. One is design tab, tools group, primary key option. Second method is right click on the field name and choose the primary key option. It is a toggle button. You can click here, click to add it. You can click to remove it. And every table will have only one primary key. You cannot set the primary key on two tables. आप एक से ज़्यादा fields में प्राइमरी की नहीं लगा सकते हो. आपको एक ही फील्ड पे प्राइमरी की लगेगी. ओके, नाउ सेव इट. गो टू द डाटा शीट व्यू. नाउ इफ आई एंटर द न्यू रिकॉर्ड, सपोज आई एम एंटरिंग 2 3 4 5 अगेन. बाय डिफॉल्ट देखो स्टूडेंट नेम में डबल ए आ रहा है. जो हमने डाटा डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू सेट करी थी वो आ रही है. आई एम टेकिंग अ न्यू नेम, देन आई एम टेकिंग द फादर्स नेम, then date of birth, then choose the option from here. देखो, the changes you requested to the table were not successful because they would create duplicate values in the index, primary key or relationship. Change the data in the field or fields that contains duplicate data. ठीक है, click OK. I'm changing the value here. Then I go to this and then next. Only then it will be able to move to the next record because I had made the corrections. अगर मैंने यहाँ पे प्राइमरी की डबल ली थी तो it was not going to the next record. Okay? हाँ जी, is it clear now? Any query till now? Today we had learned, underline the commands beta, two methods to set the primary key also. One method is click on design tab, tools group, primary key option. Second method is right click on the field name and choose the primary key. Page number 39. Then primary key is a toggle key. You can remove it by clicking on this option again. And every table will have only one primary key. You cannot set two fields as a primary key. Okay. Now whatever tables आपने already बनाए हैं, जैसे marks वाला table, now create a table of marks. ठीक है, जैसे आपने database में भी create किए हैं table, information का table है, उसमें fields add किए हैं, mode of conveyance, उसमें use the lookup wizard, change the data type and go use the lookup wizard. Second, use the create a new table for result pt1 जैसे अभी मैंने create किया, add the admission number, names and then marks and then calculated field as a total. Total की data type calculated लेके आप use करो and create the total. If you find any problem, you can ask me in the next class, that is tomorrow. कि yes ये create हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है या आपको कोई error आ रही है तो you can ask me only if you try it. Use the primary key and also try to set the validation rule as greater than less than 50. जैसे marks में validation rule लगाओ कि marks should be less than 50. They should not increase 50. Clear? Okay, that's all for today's class. We will meet tomorrow on. Okay.